You searched how to buy shares of JD.com Inc. JD.com Inc. is a large Chinese e-commerce and logistics company listed on HKEX under ticker 9618 HK, and this video is educational, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker 9618 HK. Select the listing that matches JD.com Inc. on HKEX to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary, recent news, and the price chart. Confirm the listing shows JD.com Inc. on HKEX with ticker 9618 HK, so you are on the right page. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before it finalizes the trade. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to access the example platform.